All right, Tim here with Happy Trails, and we're bringing you an update today on our engine guards for the KLR650. We've already updated you on the skid plate, and there'll be a link down below on that install. So we've been watching and we've been listening to everybody as we're going on here, and so our design has changed several times, and one of the big questions we were getting from a lot of people was if they had the adventure model, if they were going to have to get rid of their lowers. And when I was first into the conversation there, it was my thought that we probably weren't going to build a lower, that our skid plate was going to be adequate to do that. But all the feedback I was getting, guys wanted to have the lowers. So we have an upper and a lower, and in our design, we're mounted up top here, and then we come off of the triangle down here off the engine mount, and so we're very stout. This is 1 inch 083 drawn over mandrel tubing, so it's high quality tubing. So we've got the best we can get there, and then we've got our clamp system back here where we're coming in, and this isn't going to bother your leg at all. So our uppers, we've got our traditional horn on here that we have some bags, we're out of stock on them right now, but that will go on this, so you can put one of our horn bags on here. And so the way it's designed is you can buy just the upper or you can add the lower. Now, for everybody that has a pre-order, they're going to get the combination of both. We'll have the update on the website in the next couple days, and they'll be separated. But if you have a pre-order in, you're going to get everything, and we thank you for your pre-order on that. So the lower mount comes very much like the OEM off the same mounting place here. We come in and then we slanted the tube in, and then we have we go on top of the triangle mount, so that this is an add-on here and gives us that. I have one of our highway pegs on here, so that since 1991 we've been building a highway peg, and it's been very popular with people, and some people don't want it, and so this is an add-on. But it's also, you can take and put a light mount right here and tuck your driving lights right inside of here, so you could actually have a peg, and you could also have a driving light on there. And this all wraps around our skid plate, so there's no interference there, and I don't think we'll have any interference with some other skid plates on the market also, so it'll be compatible. So just to make it clear, the upper is separate from the lower, except for where they mount. They're not tied together. We've got plenty of strength with that, and we've tried to keep this width that we have in here now the same as our existing highway peg, our EG4. And so our question is that going to be wide enough? Well, we've already got a spacer designed in a 1 inch and a 2 inch, so if somebody wants to add a little bit of width to that, we're ready for that. But I don't think we'll ever come out any further on this point, because for those that don't want to have anything there, we want to leave it tucked in as much as we can inside of our upper here. The upper with the 1 inch round tube, you can, if you wanted a universal light or anything, plenty of 1 inch clamps available with that. We've gone from the R&D stage to where now we're in the production stage of these. We will be shipping in March, and we're going to do small runs to get things out every week and get into our powder coat cycle. And so we'll get some on, and we'll get some feedback from anybody. So we'll be looking for that from all of you, and we really appreciate the feedback we've gotten on the other parts. So I think that covers our engine guard and our lower engine guard. Thank you.